Good afternoon, Van Buren.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you, sir?
I am doing well. Thank you for asking. Yourself?
I am wonderful, thank you. May I have Mr. Paul Dupont?
Yes,
Ma'am.
How are you this afternoon, sir?
Alive.
We have a couple of matters with you this afternoon, sir. Primarily, there is 2S408-14080ST. This is State of Michigan versus Paul Dupont. Could you state your name for me, please?
Paul Justin Dupont II.
Thank you, sir. Today's the day and time set for the arraignment in this matter. The court received a notice that you are waiving your right to have the assistance of the court-appointed attorney this afternoon. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, this is a misdemeanor matter. It is alleged that go to the right page. On July 1st, 2022, Michigan State Police found you to be operating a motor vehicle with no license on your person. That was in Huron Township. Court will have you stand mute to those charges. There is a bond recommendation, sir. Your bond be set at 5,000, 10%, because you have a misdemeanor matter pending out of Lincoln Park and that you have multiple warrants for failing to appear on traffic tickets. Any comment as to the bond recommendation, sir?
Yes, ma'am. The current address that the officers have been using, I haven't lived at that address in 6 years. And I told them that when they gave me the tickets, and it was clearly on my, on the back of my, state ID, that I had changed my, address, and I never received nothing in the mail. I've tried to contact the court system over the phone, which is, I just couldn't get a hold of nobody. I even sent in some snail mail to try to get a hold of somebody about my court. One of the reasons why I haven't come up there is because I work 6 days a week, 70 hours a week.
Sir, do you live on Sharon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The court now has the correct address in the file, and that will be the address that we use going forward. I'm looking at the other matters that you have. I'll call off those numbers here in just a second.
Okay.
But it's the driving while license suspended, second, open intoxicants in the vehicle, and a registration or plate violation. These are all misdemeanors. None of assaultive in nature. No, sir, you don't need to say anything. None of them are assaultive in nature. The court has concerns about the number of them that you have, but no reason to believe that you are a public safety danger. Based on that, the court will set your bond at 5,000 personal. You do not need to post any money, but what you must do is continue to appear as directed by the court until these matters are resolved. Your next appearance date will be December 21st, 2022 at 10 a.m. with Judge Green. The officer will give you notice about that before you leave. This is 2S408-140-8A. Sir, you also have the misdemeanors that I just referenced. They will have a different date. These case numbers are 22VB016040T. This was the driving while license suspended, revoked or denied. This would have occurred in Van Buren Township on September 23rd, 2022. As in the prior file, the court will have you stand mute to those charges. If I can write the right date. Set your bond in this matter at 3,000 personal. Again, you don't need to post any money, but what you must do is appear as directed by the court. Your next appearance date for this misdemeanor matter will be January 5th, 2023 at 10:40 a.m. That will be back on Zoom. That will be back with me, different from the other matter. Lastly, you have 22VB01739 A, B, and C. These are from October 8th, 2022 in Van Buren Township. Drivewall license suspended, revoked, or denied. Second, open intoxicants in vehicle, and the registration or plate violation. Again, all misdemeanors, sir. 3,000 personal bond. You don't need to post any money, but all four of these cases are January 5th, 2023 at 10:40 a.m. with me. Judge Martin, courtroom number 1 by Zoom.
The other court, the other one, the one with, Green, oh, Judge Green, is that one on
Yes.
Zoom as well?
Yes,
Okay. Okay,
okay.
yeah, yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Anything else, sir?
Are they gonna have the information of how I do that on my phone? Or,
I don't know what they'll give you right now in terms of your date, but you can go onto the court's website, 34th District Court-mi.org, and there are instructions on how you join the Zoom hearing.
okay,
Okay,
all right, thank you, ma'am.
thank you. This is 17-3586 OD. This is Van Buren Township versus John Torrey Johnson. State your name for me, please, sir.
John Johnson.
Mr. Johnson. Today is the day and time set for bench warrant, arraignment on the bench warrant in this matter. You failed to appear for a probation violation hearing back on March 22nd, 2018, and a warrant was entered for your arrest. The violation was adjourned for you to provide documentation to confirm that you had attended the 10 Alcoholics Anonymous meetings that you were ordered to attend as part of your sentencing. Provide documentation of your substance abuse treatment, attend 3 sessions of the reality check program, and continue to test with no positives or no missed drug or alcohol tests. The last dated documentation of your treatment with the court was March 1st, 2018. You had not produced any proof that you attended the AA meetings as directed. There is no documentation of AA or NA attendance. You did attend 2 of the 3 sessions of the reality check program, and you pay that in full. There are no new criminal offenses on your driving record or your criminal history. The probation department has recommended that your case be closed as unsuccessful based on your lack of compliance. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Johnson?
No.
You said no?
No.
Okay. Well, sir, the warrant's already been canceled. The court will close your probation as unsuccessful, and that concludes this matter with the court, the 17-3586 OD case number.
Okay.
Okay? Anything else,
Okay.
Van Buren?
That is it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. We're all set, Mr. Johnson. Good luck to you. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Thank you. The Graham family is still on. Ms. Moss,
Yes,
I still have not received a file with Mr. Graham's name on it. Have you received additional communication that he would be seen this, that he would be arraigned today?
only from the police station. They said that he would be arraigned this morning.
After we adjourned this morning, I did contact our deputy court administrator who was handling the arraignments, and she had not received any paperwork for Mr. Graham. And I just pulled up his name. I don't see anything pending in this matter. Mary Ann, could you see if you can get a hold of, Andy's gone, Marlisa's supposed to be on. Would you see if she's received anything? Please.
Mariah has not received anything yet.
Mariah has not, I thought she said Marlisa. Okay.
So
Ms.
is there,
Moss?
yeah, so
Oh,
is
I'm
there,
sorry, go ahead.
so is there a possibility that he is not being charged with anything?
I can't say that, ma'am. This court, the court doesn't do the charging, the court just does the arraignment. What I
Okay.
would suggest to you is that if you want to go on the court's website, maybe tomorrow and type in his name and see if anything comes up. Because even if it's an arraignment on a warrant for new charges, it will appear, there's just nothing right now. And our staff has looked and there's nothing.
Yeah, when I called down there, even after, this morning, getting on here, they said that he will definitely be in court today.
I don't know, maybe it's a different court. We don't have anything.
Okay, thank you.
You're so welcome. Anything else?
No.
Well, good luck to you, ma'am. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Marianne, I think that's all that we have, so I will take us down.